Afternoon, tubers. It's Wednesday, February 19th. That's the time. And yeah, I had the heater going a little bit too much in here. It's 80 degrees in here. Yeah, I just shut it off. Been in here since about 6 this morning. Been tinkering with the backup camera. And we'll get into that in a minute. Monday, I finished off my taxes and got those sent in. And then Tuesday, it was more or less researching on the backup camera and doing a few other things. And actually got it mounted in there the way they recommend to mount it, but I got some issues. And I'm probably going to post this right after I get done with it, because I'm probably going to need some advice or assistance, or if you guys know, I'm moving some stuff around so I get down here. And so, yeah, looking for some advice or some assistance on this. So let's get down here and we'll look at this. So, there's the backup camera. Now, it's directly above the license plate light. So if you take, hang on, I thought I had everything here for me. So if you take a light and you shine it right above a camera, chances are it could affect the camera. But in this case, it really doesn't. So, I don't know. So, that's one question I got. If I put it down here, there'll be nothing to protect the camera from any debris or anything. So I'm kicking it around. I'm going to have to, we'll drill a hole and grommet right up in here. But, yeah, I don't know. And I can't have it up here because it's covering up Nevada and it's starting to cover up the stickers, so I'll get pulled over. And so I'm thinking, I don't know, I could drop the license plate down a little. And we could move the license plate light and put two side ones here. But this goes, let's see if that will work. I don't know. Cut a hole in the bumper right here and stick it in there. I don't want to go that far. So yeah, we could offset it and put it here. So that's what I'm kicking around. I'm trying to decide on what to do. So, anybody got any ideas or any? Yeah, I don't know. Putting it down here. I don't know. Yeah, it's still kicking it around. So, I don't know. What do you guys think? Don't do a backup camera. Well, it came with the stereo. Because the stereo has a little monitor on it. So, I don't know. Let me do something. I'll bring you back in a minute. Okay. Well, you can't drop the plate down. Well, you could. So, hold it. Let me think of something. Hang on. Back in a minute. There's a thought of sitting there dropping the plate down and putting the backup light right where the plate went, and probably the wind would catch right under here really good, so it'd have to be really mounted. But as you can see from the backup light right here, that it throws a shadow like this over the plate on the license plate light. So I don't know. So this is it. So trying to figure out, because I do have the parking lights on, so I'm trying to figure out which would be the best to do it. And I'm going to upload this and see what comments. I'm asking for comments from you guys. And I know the simplest one is don't put the backup light or backup camera in. And I want to, because it came with the radio. So I mean, damn. If it wasn't for the light, and you have to have the light, but I don't know. Well, let's turn off the lights in here and see how much that looks. Well, you can make it out. I don't know. I think that's the only option I got. I mean, if you're a cop behind me, you'd definitely be able to make the plate out. Huh. Okay. Alright. Well, like I said, I'm going to load this up. I'm asking for everybody's opinion, or anybody else has some ideas. And I want to install the backup camera, so there's no getting around that. So anybody has any other ideas on what to do? I wonder what's in there. I don't know. So that's all I got for now. I want to thank everybody for watching, subscribing, and of course leaving comments. Remember, guys, I'm asking for some direction, some advice, some ideas here. Later.